Okay, here's Miss Jubilee riding Aramis, the horsey. Jubilee, you gonna ride the horse? Jubilee, you gonna go ride the horse? You gonna go ride the horse?
Hey, Jubilee. Hey, Jubilee.
Okay, get down there, Aramis. Get down there. Jubilee, go ride it. Go ride the horse. Go get on. Oh, you don't want to do it anymore. Do ya?
Yeah.
Tell us, what are you?
Horsey.
A horsey? And what do you do for fun?
I just need oats.
You need oats?
Yeah.
Oh, here's some.
And water.
And water. Okay, the water's in the trough.
Over there?
Mm-hmm.
Is the
In the
hose on?
trough. Mm-hmm.
The hose on?
Yep, the hose is on. Go get some water.
I'm going to turn the hose off. I don't need much water. I need just a little bit.
Okay. Well, Horsey, what do you like to eat other than oats? What do you like to eat other than oats?
Apples.
Oh, you're going to eat apples? Show me, how do you eat apples?
You just kick it.
You kick what?
You just kick the apple tree and with your foot.
You kick the apple tree with your foot?
Yeah.
And then what?
You eat it.
The apples fall down?
Uh-huh.
Oh.
You eat it.
Oh. So, Horsey, come over here. Come sit right there. Okay, stop. So tell me, Horsey, what's your name? What's your name?
I'm just gonna go to a farm with new tigers and your giraffe, no eagles, 'cause they're mean, but the giraffe and elephants and there's not any more in my mouth. Oh, crocodiles and fish and music. But Hershey's to go. It's not Mama. There's no girls there. Cause it's horsey time. It's horsey time there. Horsey time at the horsey place. They're cutting horsey's hair, but the horsey get away.
Listen, do you hear that? Do you hear it?
Yeah.
Do you hear it, Jubilee?
Hi!
What is that? Jubilee, look at, what is that? What is that?
Dada!
Jubilee.
Dada!
Dada? It's Dada?
Yeah.
Oh,
He didn't find me.
where is he? Jubilee, where's your Dada?
Dada!
Where is he?
Dada!
Jubilee, where's Dada? Dada, where is he? Listen. Dada, come in here. I have the video.
Daddy,
Come here.
they can't find me.
Oh, it's Aramis hiding.
Say hi, Dada.
Alright. Where'd he go? Where'd that boy go? Oh my goodness, I see. I'm gonna get him. Let's get him. Come on. Get him. I'm gonna squish him. Squish him. Come here. Come here. Get out of there. Better get out of there. Mess you up. You're a little Say, okay, Mama, that's enough.
All right.